Guys, in this video I want to show you this cool website that I found that you might want to use for your creative task. So the website is called Image Color Picker, and what you can do is if you come down here, you can hit this green button called Upload Your Image, and then you can choose from your photos. So I found a picture of Aang, and I'm going to use that. And then what you can do is you can drag your finger anywhere around the image and it will light up the pixels so you can see exactly where you are. I want to get the color of his arrow. And then if you let go, then over here in this box, it will tell you the RGBs. And so I can even select them and hit copy so that I could use them right in my code so I can get the exact color of his arrow. There's other ways to do it too. So you can insert like a web address to a picture or to a website and it will also tell you the RGBs. I haven't really tried that yet. I think this is probably the easiest way. So this is really cool if you're trying to create a creative task from some other art that already exists. You could find a picture and get the exact RGB values so it's an exact match. So and the website is imagecolorpicker.com.